In this video, I'll guide you through how you can import product from Amazon to your Shopify store. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To import product from Amazon to your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to click on Apps, then App Settings. Now you have to click on Shopify App Store and search for Amazon Importer. Now you have to click on Amazon Importer and install the app. Then this can pop will appear on your screen and click on install. Now click on the checkmark box and click on accept and continue. To product from Amazon to your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to copy Amazon product link and paste it here and click on import product. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to paste the product. Once your Shopify store pastes the product, then you have to click on import to Shopify. Congratulations! You successfully import product from Amazon to your Shopify store.